Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today our topic is about how to fix the RPM of your car. You can see this RPM of my car is not stable, up and down. Show you up and down, dropping, just like dropping down. So we have to fix this by a very easy method you can do by yourself. This is our air filter of the car. There is a hose pipe between air filter and throttle of the engine. This we remove the fuel pipe. The fuel pipe came from the fuel pump to the throttle of the engine. So this is the throttle inside there. We are going to remove this hose pipe. We just disconnect this from the filter, air filter, and this is between the air filter and throttle of the engine. From this hose pipe, engine will take air and the fuel. This is air fuel mixture here, and goes through the throttle of the engine. You can see there is throttle of the engine. We remove this. This is our throttle. So you can see this one is our throttle. Our air fuel mixture goes through this, and our car is running. We are using benzene N95, the good quality. You can use the chemical cam for this. The spray cam in the market available if you want to purchase, but I I'll go for benzene, because benzene is used in this one. We clean this with the N95 benzene, and after finish of this work, you can see our RPM. I'll show you how stable our RPM of car, and my car pickup is also increased after doing this. You can do it by yourself. It's very easy. No need to go to the mechanic shop. No need to spend more money on this one. You can easily clean this from outside, from inside. There is throttle disc inside. There is a disc inside the throttle. You can clean from inside and outside completely. After cleaning this, you can see the difference of your car pickup. Your car pickup will be automatically increase. You can see it will be work very good later. This is our hose pipe between throttle and uh, our air filter. So we fix it again. You can see we can tighten the clamps on the throttle also. We can screw it tightly. Be careful to fix it good again. No leakage is there. We can fix this air filter. We can fix the hose of air filter also. After this, we can use this pipe came from the fuel pump. The fuel injected to the throttle. Here from this pipe we got fuel, and from the other side there is air. This air filter, the air and fuel is mixing and make combustion, and our engine is working here. This is our air filter. We fix it. If you want to clean anytime, you can open this filter and clean it. Must clean this after 15 or to 30 days to be better. Your system will work. So this, you can see this, we fix this completely now. It's very easy, not difficult work. I'll show you the RPM of my car after this. Let's see. Let's start the car. Let's start, and then you check. Maybe your car will not start in the first self, because when I start my car not starting, then with the switch I give accelerator to for more benzene to start. So don't afraid if car is not starting after this. You can try to start it after 2 or 3 times. You can see this RPM. I give accelerator for my car, and now you can see that it will stable. This is stable now, not coming down. Before I show you when in the starting video the RPM is dropping quickly more. Now you can see this our car working is good. This the starting video I show you. before cleaning. You can see this is not good. So this is all about RPM, how to adjust your car RPM, not dropping more. You can clean easily your car throttle to be air fuel mixture is better.